people. In this video, we have Simplistic, Monkey, and me as the host. We are going to show you the best shawarma kiosk, and this is the part 2. So let's start. Yeah, fun got did not came sadly.
Yeah.
So let's start.
I'm coming, bro. No noobs allowed.
Yes, no noobs. And you're finally hearing the voice of Monkey. How satisfied are you guys?
I have better. But I am actually 7.
What? He's joking.
No, I'm not joking.
No, he's joking, guys.
Look at me.
He's joking, guys.
He must be like 10, right? How am I joking? I'm actually 7.
He's joking, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's joking. Anyways,
Hey, you stop the house. Stop it.
so we are going to play Sharma Anomalies. This is the part 2. We'll make a whole Sharma series. Until and unless we don't finish the game. This will be the whole Sharma series, guys.
Hey, Tarun,
Oh,
are you
how dark is
learning
this?
with Moonwalk?
Why is it so dark? Yeah. We're gonna release many parts of this video
Welcome to your night shift
until we
at
finish the whole game.
Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step great.
Yes.
That will be the last part of the Shawarma kiosk.
Yes.
And there will be another season coming out.
Yeah.
And that game will be a surprise. We can't tell you that now.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, watch the video,
Yes.
guys.
We made another series. We can make also another series.
Yeah, this is just the first.
Yes, this is the first season. Until and unless we don't win.
Series will get better and better.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, first customer, get ready.
Yeah, first customer. Why does he look dirty?
Brother,
Brother, oh!
what's that?
Okay, I'll make the shawarma
What's
guy.
that, brother?
Yeah. Simplistic will make the shawarma. I'll do the cam and Monkey will what do you call? Give us Pepsi or that and meet the grill.
Yeah. I make the grill. I cannot turn back.
Wait, what?
I cannot turn back.
Oh no.
Oh no! What should we do?
Check the camera.
I cannot turn back.
Check the camera.
Okay, we're gonna make a shawarma. Sorry for the delay. Just had to stock up, okay? Don't give us a bad review.
Whoa. What? Okay. So yeah, Monkey has some problem, so he cannot turn back. So he will check the cameras.
Sadly, he could not be Michael Jackson. That's sad.
Here you go.
Hey, just demo. Dun, dun, dun,
Perfect. Just how I like it.
Yeah.
I have a proposition
So-
for you.
What's your problem? Ew! I'm not gonna eat your burger.
No.
But will you eat mine?
For what? How many?
Is he growing?
Yeah, he's going.
Hey, yo. No, is he growing? This reminds me of the dancing lady. Oh, that jump scared.
And that.
I'm gonna watch some TV, guys. And put some audio.
Hi there. Why does she? Sorry guys. Just got jump scared.
Hello.
One shawarma,
Everything
please.
normal.
Is everything is normal? I just got jump
Don't cut
scared.
it in half though.
Okay guys.
Ivy only got one hand to hold it.
Fair enough.
Okay, let's serve first.
See, problem solved. Food first, worries later.
Please make the payment.
Okay.
Should we make it? Now we make it. And make it with love and care.
Yes. Unlike.
And serve our customers with care. And make our food delicious.
Yeah. We will make the food delicious. Wait. Is it hand gone?
Hot and ready.
Just how you like.
Nothing's stopping me tonight.
Wait, her hand is gone. Ah.
Did it rise? No. Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay. Simplistic is a kind of a funny guy.
Yeah, and also stupid.
He is kind of a funny guy, not gonna lie.
And he also stupid.
Once you
Bro,
warm up,
yeah, she doesn't have eyes.
Wait, Dennis.
Your eye, man.
Fix your eyes.
my kids already ate.
Fix your eyes like a monkey chair.
Wonderful kids are fed. I only wanted something small for myself.
I hate you,
Even that I
little
can't
baby.
get. What a joke.
Yeah, so yeah, we have some
She's gone.
conferences.
She's gone.
And yeah, we were right. It's an anomaly.
Guys, by the way, in few days is my birthday and we're gonna make a special video.
Yeah, it's part 3, maybe. Maybe part 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So be sure to watch.
and you can be in the video with us.
Oh hell no!
It's an anomaly, yo! What the hell?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry to say that, but
Not gonna lie, that was kinda.
200. Make it quick. I don't have all day.
Monkey,
Oh,
are
wait,
you
okay.
really 7 years old?
I'm already in a hurry anyway. I did.
Okay, monkey, you just listen that. Okay. W monkey.
Yeah, monkey monkey in the chat, guys. W monkey in the chat.
He's gone now.
W monkey in the chat. He's still working.
I can touch right now.
Let's go. He can. Bro, look at he walks. Like the look at he walks.
Leave. Okay, this guy is kind of sus. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Hey yo, gang member came, bro. Chill. Gang member came.
Okay, what's the we have to like go to that?
Hiya, one shawarma.
Hey, yeah. What?
Training is nothing without food.
What he will do?
That will be 150.
He looks good.
Yeah, he looks good.
No, he looks ugly. Not acting, sir.
He's just like what do you call trainer type of guy.
Yeah.
He's trying to become that Giga Chat.
Very active. Wait. Yeah, and also dumb.
He's trying to become Giga Chat, not a lie.
He's not dumb.
He's not dumb.
Actually, he's acting dumb. Why is he in my face while making? Why?
With this shawarma, I reach true strength.
Let's go.
You who's the really good. Is he growing up? Yeah. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Wait,
yeah.
who orders at 11:51 p.m. at the night? Okay, late night.
Yeah. Why would you do it 11?
Can you spot this danger? No, I can't.
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Okay. It's an
Alright,
anomaly.
that will
It's
be
an anomaly. It's an
150.
anomaly.
Let me check. Okay, you are a skeleton, but if you are a skeleton, just get out and
Seriously, you just closed
Guys,
See guys, it's an anomaly guys. Let me show you guys.
Wait.
See, wow.
Guys,
Wow.
listen to me. Now
Yeah.
she's gone. She's a skeleton, right? She's
Yeah.
a skeleton. How she's standing? She should be in the grave right now.
Fair point. He has point.
Okay, I'm not being mean, but how you're standing like a skeleton?
What are these things
What is
doing?
the Halloween costume?
Oh, shawarma now. And soda too. Don't screw it up.
Anything else?
No, that's enough.
Everything now.
Make it fast. I'm starving here.
The soda is 50, total 200.
Okay,
Wait, $200 for a shawarma?
no, plus some Pepsi. Pepsi, sir.
No, like what do you call $150 for a shawarma?
How much is it? Who's knocking, man?
It was knocking right now.
Here's a Pepsi and a shot.
Finally,
Wait.
gonna starve out here.
Don't go out.
At least you didn't mess it up.
Okay. I never messed it up. I just saw the number. Guys, can I give you a joke?
What?
You're ugly. He said, don't mess it up. But his brain is all messed up. Haha. Nah, cook his brain, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get.
One for blue.
Okay. Let me check the camera, guys.
Gear fast.
Bro, see his words.
Deal.
And guys, on my birthday there's going to be a special video, and maybe you can comment it.
Yes.
Only if you subscribe, like, and comment.
Yes, guys.
Or cook his brain, bro.
Nope is quite accurate.
What is that language?
Okay. I think it must be Portuguese.
Edge, give me one shawarma.
That job.
Big one.
Hello, sir, that will be 150.
Why? Yeah, about that
No,
I
he's
don't have
drunk.
any money.
It's normally he's drunk.
Can you make
No,
one
he no.
free? I'm starving.
Yeah,
I'll pay
he's
you
drunk,
next time,
bro.
I swear.
Yeah, I don't know about that, bro.
Bro, look at his voice. Guys, wait. Guys, look at his voice. I heard his voice. I actually
I'll
heard his
remember.
voice. Wait. Why is Shawarma
You'll
yours
regret
and why they're
treating
called
me like
Anthony's? It should be called Skinwalkers, right? Hear his voice.
Yeah, wait.
Wait, you want to do the Spider-Man pose?
What?
Yeah, first, come on. Spider-Man pose.
How?
Like this. Triangle.
How?
And whoever steal a brain rot, I'm sorry to say, steals a brain rot.
Haven't
Yeah.
eaten since lunch.
Wait.
And get the OG
Alright,
ticket.
that will be 150.
Wait, let me check the cam. Wait.
I'm making the trauma.
Simply take it making the shawarma, monkey. Monkey, you do something.
Wait, is she smiling? God, she's smiling. You want to grab see? You want to come?
Go.
Okay, don't turn off.
Emily smells amazing.
Bro, do actually W song, not gonna like, do actually some W song. Hey, bro.
And guys, you know we have been so locked in.
Yeah.
What is this thing called again? The skinny man or the crooked man didn't come out.
Yeah, he didn't come out. If we screw up, then he will come out.
Yeah. They don't screw up.
Want.
Hey yo!
Oh!
Hey, hello! At least listen to what he's saying.
150, please.
Okay, I'm checking the camera,
I
guys.
was so hungry, and this is what you do to me?
Sorry.
Fine, you'll see what it means to ignore me.
Okay, bye. Wait, what? Where are you going? We're at the light. Hey, yo, no. What are you doing?
No, whoa, chill. Wait, what is he doing?
He's gone now. That's so mean. Bro.
He broke the camera?
Wait, I'm fixing the electric.
You sure, bro?
Bro, he trashed everything up. That's me. L person in the chat. L person.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, say L big guy. L big guy in the chat. L big guy.
Yeah. You would be really happy.
Yeah, not gonna lie.
Wait, why nobody's turning the lights on?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We are open to business. Please come. Hello, man. You look a very fine looking man. Wait, why are your eyes?
The night I carry strange whispers. What would you like?
Hey yo, he has tentacles.
Hey, what the hell?
That will be 300.
This guy's an octopus.
Interesting.
Okay, I actually feel bad.
This guy's an octopus, guys.
That
This
is
guy's
why
an octopus.
something should not be fed.
He doesn't look like an octopus. He looks like Bye bye, octopus.
Yeah, bye bye,
And
octopus.
guys, if you want to make another season of this game,
Yeah, we are
comment
free.
in the chat. We would make it.
Yeah,
But
we
the
yeah,
other
we are home.
He looks like
No, don't serve him. No, don't serve him. This guy's from Death Note. Don't serve him. This guy's from Death Note.
Oh.
This guy's from
Dang
Death Note.
it! He saw right through my plan!
Don't serve.
Yeah, boy.
That guy's from Death Note.
Thank God, bro. Oh shoot, it rose. It's screwed up.
Even if we summon, that thing grows anyway.
It's up one shawarma and a soda. Sure, that'll be 200.
Why do you look like that? You're
Make
not
it
even
quick,
cool.
I don't have all
The
day.
opposite of cool. You look like shit.
Okay. Mean but okay, yeah.
We're hard workers. Come on, man. Don't do that. Okay, you want a Pepsi? Take it. And by the way, put a Pepsi on his face.
Why?
Just kidding. Peter, customers with care.
Yeah, we did customers with care. We are not like one of those guys.
Here you go.
Yeah. And guys,
Took you long enough.
if anybody copies our video, just comment in the chat.
Yeah, if anyone copies my avatar, then just comment their username and just say,
On any of our avatars, except for Monkey, because almost everybody has.
yeah, almost everybody has that.
am the goat, bro.
Yeah, he's the goat.
But Monkey has. Everybody has his avatar. Not his heart. His heart is made of.
Queso? Queso!
Hey, what up? You gotta
Yes.
kiss me and I'm gonna die. No.
No, he's gonna take all of our stock. No, run.
Oh no! Like, okay, sorry. Hello.
Hey, listen.
Kiss!
What?
One shawarma, but no money today. I can give you something better.
What?
Like what?
What?
Secret.
What? Your YouTube is not working, Queso?
I know things about this place.
Okay.
Your YouTube is not working, Queso?
Hey, yo. You gotta treat him with care, man.
Yeah.
Sorry,
bro, Queso.
I have 100,000. Monkey, can you be a side? How good do you speak that
Here's
to
your
me?
shawarma. Yes,
Yeah.
great.
And what you are
Now
going
your
to
reward.
do it now?
When is the Giga Chat going to come?
Do not smell
Guys,
it too long.
Guys, if you guys see the inspector,
I think he.
what the hell?
It
Wait,
is 1 a.m. bro. It is 1 a.m.
it is 1 a.m. If it turns 2 a.m., guys, go out of the shawarma stand.
This is better than 150, man. This is so happy.
Hey, he's living his life.
Yeah, headless
I
man.
can feel more.
Hey, he has got headless from Roblox, guys.
One shawarma.
Headless horse.
Headless.
Make it warm.
Bro! What did you just do, Darul? Okay, he scared me. But by the way, nice Halloween costume. Just close the window, Darul. Don't open the window, I said.
I only lost my head.
Yeah.
And the brain too.
I can still eat.
Oh,
How? You need your brain to chew, right?
wait, did he eat brain as his food?
Yeah. Oh, the dancing lady.
Wait, what? Yeah, so. Okay, that scene kept getting crazy, not gonna lie.
The secret video
Two
is coming up.
shawarma. No
On
gravy.
my god.
Wait, how is he standing up? He's
Got it,
old.
300.
See his eyes.
Wait. Oh no. Oh no. Hell no.
What?
Oh hell no. Look at this.
Two shawarma I was about to order, and you
guys,
slammed the window. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
He's gone, bro. Should we post a good video on my birthday to make them
Yeah, happy.
fans happy?
Yes.
Make a video on my
Yes. Wait, guys, it's going to be 2 a.m. Guys, get out of the what they call. Get out of the store and like what? And like don't see the store.
Hey, one
Is that
shawarma. please.
queso?
Sure, that'll be
Is that
100.
queso?
No, that's El Macho.
El Macho?
That's El Macho.
Yeah. That's not your spider. Just
Okay, I'm
take
gonna
it,
serve
bro.
Guys,
You're a duck.
That's it, bro. Listen.
that's El Macho.
Who's
What the?
knocking on the door, bro?
And wait, why do you want this at
Here
2
you go.
a.m.?
Yeah.
Finally,
Bro, it is 2 a.m. Get out, it is 2 a.m.
Wait, guys, get out. If black car comes, get out.
Okay. It is 2 a.m. bro. What happened? And never look at the store again. Not again.
Yeah, yeah. If a black car comes, never look at the store.
Bro, the black car came.
Okay, fine. No, guys, don't look at the store, guys. I'm telling you, don't look at the store. Okay, guys. Okay. You guys are doing good. No, don't move. Don't move. You guys are actually doing good.
Yeah, it's fine. And guys,
Yeah,
it reminds me of red light, green light. Who remembers that?
I do. It's from Squid Game, bro.
Squid Game. I hope the next season comes.
Let's go.
Right?
Come on. How many minutes is going to this guy see, bro?
Is he gone?
Is it gone? Game is glitched? Is the game glitched?
We okay.
What?
He's gone. He's gone.
He's gone?
Yeah.
He's gone. He's gone. Let's go. We survived this.
Got it. 300 for both.
And guys, don't do this in real life, okay?
Yeah.
How you do it in real life, but just don't do it. Don't do it. And we need to by the way.
Yeah. But by the who the hell would fight in Sharma?
Yeah. 2, 3 a.m.
Yeah. Wait, why did you understand at 2 or 3 a.m.? Let's go, guys. We are surviving this. I think this series will be over in 2 episodes.
That would be pretty sad, but don't worry, we'll make another one.
Yeah, we will make more endings, guys. Don't worry, guys.
If you're happy with each other, we'll make you.
Don't worry, guys. We will make more endings. Simplistic, by the way.
Other games we could also play.
Yeah, we could play other games like Rivals, etc.
Now let's take a lucky bomb. And we can't. We are very sorry. We can't give you any spoilers.
Yes.
We are sorry. Because
Yeah,
then the fun comes.
Here's your
Yeah, that's where the fun comes, guys.
Yeah, boy.
He'll be
You know
jealous.
that.
Got the bigger one.
I'm not doing the.
Why is the moon red? See the moon, it's red.
It looks like a Japan. It's like blood moon. No,
Yeah, like that Madara did the whole blood moon thing.
No, aliens came, that's why. The aliens came, that's why.
Okay. According to Monkey, the aliens came, that's why. Why the hell is police
One
wearing a
shawarma.
pajama?
Haven't eaten all day.
Okay. Wait, let me
You
just
think
check the
that
camera.
bugs you, or is it just here? Never mind.
You
It
look
stops
like you
conflict.
really need a shawarma, right?
Alright, that will be
Yeah,
100.
I think he's doing an investigation.
Wait, did it? When he pays 150, does everybody get 150?
Yeah, everybody gets.
He's paid.
Wait.
Who did that? I think it was me. I drink a soda.
Here you go.
Ew! Wait, can I try?
Smells stronger than usual.
Hey, yo.
Guess that means it's fresh.
Yeah, fresh is the best.
Yeah, fresh is the best. Habibi, fresh is the best. Why did I drink Pepsi,
This was
guys?
the guy.
Why don't I drink Coke, guys, with the shawarma? These are comments below, guys.
Hello, one shawarma. Extra sauce, please.
His eyes are crossed.
That will be 100.
That is beautiful.
Let's watch the TV in meantime.
Today, we are gonna be
I can
playing
put it back if that makes you more comfortable.
Come on!
What? Monkey, come on, let us watch the TV.
Okay, but if you but if everyone likes and subscribes.
Okay, fine.
go.
Share and like and subscribe.
Oh, thank you. Bro, what was that? Oh, what? And by the way, guys, comment.
Why does she want two shawarmas?
If you want to win in the World Cup, comment which not player, country. Who do you want to win?
I think Portugal will win this time. Simplistic.
No, I have Messi in FC Mobile. I have Messi in FC Mobile. Right? You're talking about the World Cup. You're talking about FC Mobile.
Yeah. I think Portugal. I think Portugal. I think Portugal.
I think Param needs to touch grass.
Do you think, guys? Leave the comment down below. Easy. Should I include him in my more videos, guys? Leave the comment down below. Should I include Monkey in my more videos?
Yeah. I'm gonna be in all of his videos now. Yeah.
Also, this guy, Simplistic and Fun God. Fun God is already a lot of my videos.
Yeah, Fun God just had to take a
Break.
vacation.
Yeah, I have let him work too much, guys.
Don't give him hate.
Yeah, don't give him hate, guys. Guys, he's a good man.
Yeah. Sure.
Thanks. My friend's waiting outside.
Okay, bye. Wait, did anybody check the camera?
I checked. It was normal. I checked. It was normal.
Okay. And guys, it has not even rose that much. It has only rose yeah. Oh, this is gonna take a long time.
The anomalies.
I work at the gas station nearby.
Ew! But
Give me extra
what's
salt.
that?
Wait, no, don't give him. Don't give him. Don't give him.
Don't give him. In night vision.
Yeah, he's gone.
In night vision, he's gone. What?
Yeah, don't give him in night vision.
You
He's gone.
close right when I woke up. Great service, really.
That
Yeah.
was a pretty close one.
Guys, we are at 3 a.m. Wait, 3 a.m. Oh no,
Oh shit, huh?
3 a.m. Let's go. The rich guy came.
No, he will jump scare us. He'll jump scare us, I think.
Did he jump? Did he just like jump?
He'll jump scare us. Wait, let's check the camera. Let's check the camera.
Yeah, let's check the camera.
I check the camera this time. Wait.
Fast.
No, he's normal.
No onions. Sure, 150.
Yeah,
No, he's not.
No, he's jump scaring us. I think he just wanted.
No, he's jump scaring. No, he's jump scaring.
Check the camera.
What's the shadow right in my face?
Yeah, because you jumped and just right on our face.
Yeah, he jumped right under our face, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, rejected you. We'll go and try and see another one.
Yeah, see, and
But you're too hungry for it.
guys, it's 3 a.m. Be careful, it's 3 a.m. You know those 3 a.m. videos?
What do we have to do at 3 a.m.?
I don't know.
Hey, yo!
One
Skin
shawarma,
man!
please, yeah, and make it quick.
No. He's normal. He's normal. He's normal.
Everything
He's
feels
normal.
like
He's normal. He's normal. I checked
Like
the book.
my brain
He's
is
normal.
floating. Just give me the warm one.
I checked the book. He's normal.
But where?
He's normal.
Atichi?
Check
And
the book.
guys, rest in peace, Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson already died, bro. 5 years ago. But still, W.
5 years ago?
Yeah.
Here's your shawarma, sir.
Sorry, he
Enjoy.
died at my
This is
birthday. I
my
think.
dad.
Nice. One feels better.
I think he died at my birthday.
I can finally think straight.
Pepsi soda. Pepsi soda. Should we add one of you guys into our main videos?
Maybe.
We have to stay till 7 a.m.
Yes. It's 3:15, guys.
Yeah! Close the
How can I
window!
get one shawarma?
Wait, let's take the
Do you
camera.
have something to drink? Yes, a coffee,
It
please.
looks different in the
That will
camera.
be 175. Why are you not serving me? Oh, I forgot my
But
skin.
Oh my god. Wait. He's like, I forgot my skin.
yeah, like bro, it's like normal.
It got in the grave.
You guys at the grave, what you doing right here?
Okay, we are sorry, but we don't mean to be rude, but it's just the truth.
Wait, he came again.
One shawarma,
Let's
please.
take the camera.
Wait, he's in a
Everything
girl's
will
voice.
flow today.
Close the door. He's in a girl voice. He's in a girl voice. He's in a girl voice. Close the door.
Just give me the warm one.
My brain is
wait.
floating.
Don't do that. I can't think like this.
Should we make a music video, guys?
No, guys. No, stop, guys. No.
Is he gone? Yeah, he's gone. Spider-Man. There's a
Let's go. We are surviving this. Let's go. We are going to survive this. Wait, she came again?
Two
Let's
shawarma.
shake the camera.
No. She's in a different voice. No, guys. No.
Protein bread, don't judge.
Wait, why are in a girl's body and a boy's voice?
Yeah. See,
I'm
that's
going
right.
to die of
Close.
hunger.
Guys, should I
I
put
haven't eaten for a
a
whole
boost? Sure,
Yeah,
now.
booze. Yeah, put a booze, man. Not gonna lie.
Did she go? I think she gone.
Wait, open the.
And guys, the owner of Shotman kiosk. The dancing lady is outside.
Dancing lady, no.
One shawarma.
Guys, wait.
Regular one 150. Any
If the
extra?
shawarma
Wait.
owner seeing this video,
Just make it
please
fast.
fix the game
That
because
will be 100.
last time
Okay.
we played this game,
Normal. Everything is normal. Give him the shawarma. Give him the shawarma.
we didn't know what to serve that guy. Remember?
Everything is normal. Give him the shawarma.
Yeah. No, I'm saying that when we were playing shawarma, normally we didn't know what to serve that guy.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, we please fix the shawarma. Owner. Why is it the dancing lady jump scaring us? Because she's a dancing lady, she's supposed to. No,
Yeah.
she will jump scare. Okay, go.
Yeah. I think she will jump scare us. It's 3:45 a.m. Let's go. We are surviving this 3 a.m. guys.
He jump scared me. Like very, very good. One part, please. Bro,
Guys.
it wasn't even ugly, bro.
What?
Look back. It was already like this.
No, it was like a little bit down. That thing jump scared me. Bruh. Guys, it's 3:50.
I want shawarma.
Oh hell no!
Okay, we are after this game and plus we just shut the thing down.
Yes, Param is also doing the job, not gonna lie.
You didn't serve me.
Monkey is also doing the job. W job.
Yeah, monkey,
That's
W,
fine.
monkey, W, Akmal, and W
I'll
simplistic.
take it anyway.
No, you are not W.
He is W. Everyone is W.
Yeah. Yeah. So big mean. Actually, L monkey now. L monkey for this. It's the big mean.
Let's go, guys. We are going to survive this.
Yeah.
Hi, one shawarma, please.
Let's check the camera.
That's 100.
Check the camera, guys.
Oh, no, she's
It already
dancing
smells
outside.
amazing.
Check the camera. She's dancing like. Check the freaking camera.
Seriously, that's another way of feeling about a shawarma. And the window closes right in front of me, just my luck.
Okay, now we have to check also 2 cameras each now.
L first.
That's why. I think that guy was dancing in the other camera. That's right. Oh, okay. Different voice.
Hello, sure, that will be 100. W. Wait, no, I remembered you. I don't have any money, but I do have a knife.
Oh shit. The serial killer coming. Oh shoot! Look what he's doing back. No. Oh my
Sorry,
god.
I don't have a knife. I'll go home.
No, he's outside.
Wow.
She's outside. Yeah, get out. Never come back.
Yeah,
And
never
by the
come
way,
back.
He doesn't even have a warrant or any like. He's trespassing. We should sue him.
We should sue him, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, dancing lady. Now you're being sus. Actually,
Come on, let's go, guys. We're gonna finish this game. Let's go. Come on.
it is 4:26. And
We did not go Giga Chat this time, guys. Giga Chat was like,
No, Giga Chat is already dead,
Hey,
bro.
one shawarma and
bro, see bro space. See bro space.
200.
That means it looks like a Giga Chat. Oh
Just
no,
a
like the
moment, it will be
Dwayne
ready.
Rock Johnson. Bro, it's the shooting star.
It's shooting star.
Ew, I'm not scared. I'm scared of the
Playing in the
monster
daytime?
bully.
What? Are you scared of the dark?
Disconnected
I
from the
can cut
game.
your internet
What?
any moment. Don't
Arrow
believe
code
it?
-1.
Just kidding.
Oh,
Thank you. Bro. Okay.
I don't-
You don't know me. If I cook you, you're gonna go.
I thought we were gonna be like, wait, this is going to be part 3 or something.
I'll make your shawarma nice and warm, okay?
Yeah, if he's an anomaly, I don't know,
I'll
bro.
make some poison also. I'll make some poison because you
Yeah.
disrespected me and my friends. Just some poison, okay? You'll not die.
Let me take the meat. Let me take the meat.
Monkey side, monkey. You take your side, you freaking head. Hey yo, you brokey. I'm not a brokey. Then you are wrong. Bro, you're the most
Here's your
brokey
shawarma,
person.
still hot. Here you go.
I'll put him.
Thanks, but you got it wrong.
Yeah,
Back to
monkey.
the dairy.
Bro,
TH. Thanks.
you were an anomaly?
You were an anomaly?
Yeah, he was drunk.
Oh yeah.
He was drunk, bro.
Guys, we'll get the 5th ending, guys. No, guys, now let's lock in, guys. Wait,
Okay.
only like 2.5 hours left, guys.
Stop saying bad stuff to me, okay? Let's work as a team. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Evening.
You evening.
Evening. It's quite a fascinating night, is it not? Yes, it really is.
Everything is normal, bro.
Those shiny stars falling are actually space
They say
rocks.
it's evening, but it's morning now.
When meteoroids go into the atmosphere, the
Arigato.
air gets so hot that it
I think
makes
he's a
them glow.
scientist.
Like, oh no.
That's why we see shiny lines of light in the sky. That is really cool. What would you like to order to eat?
Guys, should we
I
serve
would
them?
like
I
one
don't know.
shawarma and one coffee, please. I have a night of watching these wonderful meteoroids.
Okay. Guys, if we like cook this up, okay. Wow. What a show, not gonna lie. What a show.
I'm making the shawarma, but I'm sorry.
Not gonna lie, it's a good show, not gonna lie, guys. It's kind of a good show.
And guys,
Not gonna lie, we made double the video. That's insane.
should we make a big video for our fans?
Yeah. Maybe in 1K way.
Here we
1K
go.
subs, guys. 1K subs.
And
Here's
comments
your
for
shawarma
me,
and coffee.
simple stick and
Thank you, the
and my
warmth of
brother.
the coffee will make this night even
subscribers. Get over it.
Watching meteoroids with a hot drink feels perfect. Have a peaceful shift.
Is he going now?
Okay. I think the metro.
That was
Okay, that was mean.
L person, L car.
Yeah, L car is the video, guys. L car. And L anomaly. And L anomaly.
You just spotted on a shop. That's me.
Yeah, that's me.
Do that. And a dirty fart is scaring off our customers.
Yeah, he's getting off our customers. Actually, there's no customer, but still.
What the
One
heck?
shawarma, please.
Different voice.
Sorry, I hope I'm not taking too much of your time. You can take your time, really.
Sure.
Let's check the book. Wait, should I do show anomaly?
Oh,
No, his voice.
didn't
Hear his
mean to
voice.
bother you. Okay.
Okay, wait, dude.
What?
What is Swarma's dancing? See? Swarma's dancing. What is Swarma's dancing? What is Swarma's dancing?
What? The meat is dancing?
The Swarma's dancing! Okay, I have to do the boost.
Bro, what is happening? Come on, guys, you can beat this.
It is 5 a.m.
It's 5.
We will win this, guys.
Yeah, we will win this.
I'm not going to cut the whole game.
Huh?
Bro, I never know this part.
I also did not play the whole game.
Bro. Okay, can I eat you? Wait, switch it off. Why?
It's still dancing.
It's dancing. Who is dancing, bro?
The meat.
Where's the meat? It's going slower. It's going slower. Let's go. Where's the meat? Yes. The meat is dancing little slower.
Good job. Wait. Oh, simplistic. Get away from him. Monkey, no. You'll die. No.
The moose is here.
Okay, guys, we don't know this much part. Okay, guys.
Bro.
I think we need to study much more, guys.
Whoa, hey.
Oh shoot! He's on a boat. And that's just possible. Bro! Look at him!
My lord. Okay, guys, we're gonna die in this part. I think we're gonna die in this part, guys.
The moose is still here, bro!
We're going to die. We might die. Simplistic, there is no option.
Don't open the window! He's still here! Don't open the window!
What do we do, guys?
Actually, you forgot I closed the window.
I don't know, guys, if we are going to get the perfect ending.
Okay, I think I should get the shawarma. Bro, he's still there! Look at him! Look at the camera! I think you put the shawarma. Oh. Somebody just ran for some reason. A bit bad. My ears.
See up.
What?
There's a shadow.
Yeah, there is. Oh. Oh, you just realized that now.
Yes.
Guys, I think this is the end of it. Let's see night vision. I miss you guys. We'll miss you.
If we waste one more time, we are going to die with that big thing. Give him a soda.
Give him a soda. He has a white smile. This is a white smile. Look up, bro. No, he looks evil.
No, start with the lavish and give him the soda. Give him a soda. Give him a soda. What do you call that? Counter. Somewhere inside.
Should I open it?
No,
Huh?
put it inside. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there.
Put it under.
Okay, this is getting already scary, guys. This is going already scary.
Just one more hour, guys. It's already 6 a.m.
Yes, it's already 6 a.m. One more.
Yes. No, it is 5 a.m., bro. Oh, let's turn some music on.
It's 5 a.m. It's almost 6.
Shawarma, please.
Sure thing, go ahead and pay when you're ready.
She has a cat. She has
Oh,
a
is that your
cat.
cat?
No, he just follows me. People say he's got a face on his back.
Wait.
If you look closely, yeah, I can see it.
Don't look. They say anyone who stares at that face dies.
Wait. You have to
Got
look
it. I
down when
didn't
you
see
sew.
thing.
Okay. Just don't look at them. Don't look at them. Don't. You have to only look down if you have seen. Okay. Okay. Just look down. Don't look at the customer.
Don't look at the customer. Don't look at the customer.
Here you go.
What's the time?
Finally.
It's almost 6 a.m. Let's go.
Yes.
Just one more hour.
A bag of water.
Let's go. We are almost going to finish this game. Thank you guys if we finish this game. Or else we'll do another video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, I'm kinda tired.
Yes.
Hey, you, Michael Myers. Wait, but what if he wants a shawarma?
Okay, we're gonna die in this part. Michael Myers?
You just serve him a shawarma, man. You don't want a shawarma, you want a Pepsi, right? You want a Pepsi. Why the ending is so hard? Look here, is who catch it?
Guy in Michael Myers suit, or at least I think it is. I think it's normal.
I did an anomaly boost. It's not showing any dot. It's not showing any dot. It is Halloween, bro.
Okay.
What is it, Halloween?
No, it's not Halloween. Wait, guys. Wait. Give him a shawarma. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Give him a shawarma. Let's see what happens.
No, I already.
Hot and ready.
Don't look at the customer. I'm not looking.
Oh my lord.
W me.
W simplistic. Guys, about simplistic as crazy as hell is going. We may be finishing this game.
Yeah.
We almost have one more hour left.
Yeah. And guys, it's not only me, it's us. We
Yes.
need this.
Yes, we need this win, guys. Yeah, this is going to be a long video, guys.
W Atman, W Simplistic, and W Monk. Hey, yo. No. Drink up. Hang on. Wait, I'm going to buy more.
Soda.
Guys, I think we're gonna finish this game. Let's go, guys. Why is it 5:58?
I did not run the boost. Okay. If you
TV is not on.
Yeah, and don't look at the customer. Look down.
Why?
You didn't see when we watched TV. That doesn't show because you know why.
Oh yeah.
You have to only look down. And in the starting, it also said. Just look down. I think it's gonna come. Are you calling 911, bro? No.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, 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 hey.
Anomalies detected.
No.
No. That's okay, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys. This is the end of the video. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Sorry, guys, we could not get the ending. We get the ending in third part. Perfect ending, guys. Please, guys. Bye, guys.